We wrote this song when a lot of students were trying to quit school because they want to be popular and rich. So they joined all these BBB things. Yeah, but actually, before you laugh, it's about us trying to be something else, somebody else when we're not that somebody else. Sa balay mapakaroon tang wala bisan nga bisan wala things like that. So it's called principle. Alright, here we go. Gusto ko na mag-artista, kita po'y natugis ko na may alawas sa buka. Malipad, kinipable sa Manila, napakyot sa Tagapita, basta may discover pa. Ano yun? Bakit nag-artista? Sa balay, nakaaroon magigat sa buwan ng bukas. Prinsipa, pwede kong makutrapida, pinagdagway kong postura, ang gayang manuna ka. Ayaw lang, ayaw sa pagmamagpaba, ako sanang naisorpresa. La 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 la